So it's time for us to get up and do desk exercises. I call it DESKERCISE. Now, if you're in a classroom and you are 6 feet away for social distancing, there's all sorts of room that you have that you can move in your own space where you can stay safe and have fun at the same time. So let's get ready for fun at our desk. You can move your chair to the back if you can, or just move it underneath. Okay? Come out to the side and give yourself a stretch like this. Bring your hands across your desk and head down, and let's stretch. Excellent. Now bring your hand closest to me, let it hang down and swing it. And slowly bring it back up. The other hand, bring it back down and swing it. Beautiful. Now come right here and just give me that tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Good. And do anything you want with your hands, but give me that tiptoe. Because sometimes when you sit, you just have to stretch the legs and the body out. Now, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now stand out to the side. And if your friend is over there, stay over there, 6 feet apart. Here we go. Holding on to your chair or your desk, whichever comfortable, you're going to bring your leg out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And kick it to the front. 1, 2, you can try that. 3, 4, 5, 6, touch your hands. 7 and 8. Boom! Go over to the other side. Dance it over to the other side. Brilliant! Let's have fun doing jumping jacks around our desk. I call these square jumping jacks. Jumping in a square. Make sure you stay in your safe space and watch where you're going around your desk. Desk lunges. Hold on to your desk if you need to, or not. Keep going. And you can go in another direction. Excellent work. Now dance all around your desk if you want to, or hop. Just move. Other side, same thing. Desk lunge. Be creative and make up your own awesome moves right at your desk. Thank you for working out with me. Have a playful, grateful day. Bye. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and click that notification button.